Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surbhi, and this is you and your person reading, and these are also general readings, so they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. And on one side will be your energies, on one side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and obviously yours. You can pick your sides because just swap your sides according to the story. If the story resonates with you, and then will be the most likely outcome. Okay. So let's see what we have for Geminis. Wow, we have on your side the Ace of Cups, on their side, Five of Cups. Okay, most likely outcome, the Ten of Swords. Okay. So though I'll be taking the clarifiers, but as far as this situation is concerned, you are very emotional about this person and you want to have a new beginning with this person. Okay, you are too much in love with this person, too much attracted to this person. You have a lot of emotions just brimming out, and you want a new beginning with this person. You want a beginning, you want to have a relationship with this person. Okay, because what you feel is, you feel that this person is divine sent, is God sent for you, and you feel that this person is the person who is the right person for you, right choice for you, and you, that is what you feel is that uh, that's your thinking, that you feel that this is the person who will be taking, who will be able to take care of your emotions, and this relationship will be emotionally fulfilling to you. That's what you feel. Okay. Maybe this person gives you some sort of stability, or you feel grounded with this person perhaps, but you feel that this person is going to give you emotional fulfillment, and you are very emotional about this person. But here with the Five of Cups, this person is upset, very upset, very depressed, alone, spending time alone, being lonely. Not, I don't think this person is communicating with you for whatever reason it is. This reason can be you, this can be something else also. I'll see what comes in the clarifiers, but yes, this person is just not interested. Basically, they want time alone, they want to spend time alone because they are depressed over something. Okay, they don't want to focus on anything else as for now. They just want to focus on whatever they've lost, whatever they are depressed about. Okay, so this is what is their energy. They are not interested in anything basically. The more likely outcome over here come as the Ten of Swords, which is sort of obviously it's not a very good energy, as you can see with the Ten of Swords. It's coming off as the end, but it is sort of being knocked down but then getting up also. Okay, it is something of that sort, when you just feel it's okay, now I can't take more than this, and then you get back up. Okay, let's see what will happen in life, be with this person or without this person. But the thing is, you feel upset. The main thing here is that the most likely outcome is tension, upset, betrayal, howsoever you want to put it, but it is the end. Okay, now can't take it more, sort of a thing. Okay, so let's see what are the clarifiers over here. Why is Ace of, we have the Eight of Cups, Three of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. Okay, let's see what's there. We have the Three of Cups, the Death card, and the Six of Wands. Let's see what's the most likely outcome. Ten of Wands, the Temperance, and the Three of Wands. Okay, so Geminis, what I feel here is whatever, how, no matter how much situation, how much emotion situation, I'm saying, how much emotions you have and how much new beginning and emotional fulfillment you want from this person, but what I feel is that since it is just not happening, you are feeling very very hurt, very very depressed, heartbroken, and you are walking away. You are walking away, and it is, even if it is not a willful walking away, but that is what you feel is right for you. Okay, because perhaps that's what your intuition is saying, because your inner voice is saying, perhaps. uh, but the thing is that you are sick and tired of investing so much into it, that now you just want to, you don't want to drown into those emotions more. Now you choose to walk away, so that you, for your own peace basically. Okay, so that's what you are doing. But the reason here is, or you will be doing, because with the Three of Swords and with the Seven of Swords, what I feel is that you are very very upset, very very tense. You are very much in pain because of this situation, that things are just not happening. And with the Seven of Swords here, what I feel here is that you will also stop investing. You are sort of okay, it's okay, and you're just moving away, sort of carrying your own possessions and leaving. That's what I feel. You're just leaving the situation because it is causing you too much of agony, too much of anxiety, too much of tension, too much of pain, and you choose to walk away with your own stuff, whatever your stuff is. That's what I feel. You choose to walk away, you gather your own stuff and move out. It's sort of as if you are staying in their apartment, you gather your luggage and just you move out. It's sort of that, because you feel that it's unrewarded. Okay, that's what is, and that you feel that is the right thing for you to do. Okay, and your intuition, your inner voice tells you that. On their side, what I feel here is, with the Three of Cups, the Death card, and the Six of Wands. I don't know, is it a love triangle or a third party situation or something like that? Maybe that is the reason that it's not flourishing. See, for the first thing which I have come, there are three people involved in this situation. That's what I'm getting. Now, this third thing can be some energy. Maybe this person is more focused on their work or something else and not investing in you. It can be that also. It can be an actual love triangle also. But the thing is, it's ending. So, what I feel here is that maybe it is ending because you are walking away. So, automatically it will end if it is a love triangle sort of a thing. What I'm feeling here is that this situation is ending. This person is going to end it. This situation will end, and this person is walking away. That's what I feel. This person is walking away. They're choosing to end this, whatever this happy time is or was, if it was for you, with you, or if it was a third party, whatever it was. Okay, this situation is going to end. If it was whatever it was, it's going to end, and this person is walking away because they also feel is the right thing for them to do. And once they are this transition is going on. That's what I'm getting. Once this transition happens, that this person ends this third party thing or whatever it is. Once this situation ends, though it is giving you a lot of happiness as for now to them, though they must have been happy at some point in time, but once this situation ends, they feel victorious, they feel happy, they will feel good, they will feel good. I think they're trying to conquer this. That's what I'm getting. Trying to walk away and gather themselves, sort of conquer themselves, their own self-esteem, or whatever it is. It's conquering their own life, sort of conquering. Maybe too big a word, but yeah, taking back the control of their life. It can be that. Yeah, yeah. That is a better thing to say. Maybe they are trying to and end this and transitioning to a state in which they feel they have a better control of their own life, and that is what makes them happier. That's what I'm getting. And with the most likely outcome also, because we've already had the 10 of swords. As I've already told you, again we have the 10 of wands, the temperance, and the 3 of wands. So it's sort of unburdening. Maybe it's becoming a burden basically that you've been carrying. And as I said, it is whatever it is. It is with the 2 tens. It is like, as I said, okay, I can't take it anymore. Okay, whatever betrayal was there, whatever pain was there, whatever I've suffered, can't take it anymore, and now you start to release it. It's sort of that. Now you're unburdening, and you're about to release this situation. Okay, let it be. Can't put in more into it. And with the temperance, you're trying. This is a sort of balance, trying to balance your life, trying to balance the situation. And with the 3 of wands again, waiting for someone new, obviously, waiting for a new life, maybe waiting for a new journey of life. Okay, so what I feel here is, I don't see, at least for now, whatever the situation is, maybe it changes next month. I don't know, but at least for now, in the recent future, I don't see there is anything much happening. It is just unburdening, trying to balance the situation, trying to balance your life, rather, I should say, not the situation, and walking away from this. And I see both of you individually waiting for a new journey of your lives. That is the most likely outcome as for now. Again, I'm saying as for now. I'm not saying it's something permanent, but at least this is the scenario which is going on now. Okay, that you're just waiting. Both of you are turning your backs to each other, just waiting on your independent life paths, taking a new journey independently. Okay, and just trying to moderate and balance your own unburdening, trying to balance taking back the control of your life and waiting for a new journey. That's what the most likely outcome here is, Geminis. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.